Sometimes described as one of the world's greatest train journeys, a trip through the Canadian Rocky Mountains on the Rocky Mountaineer train is without doubt the best way to see this spectacular scenery. This is a feast for the eyes and the best food and drink, all provided with first-class service from our hosts. The first part of our journey took us from Jasper through Mount Robson Provincial Park and Clearwater to our overnight stop at Kamloops. Travelling slowly at 30 miles per hour or less, we had time to enjoy the beautiful and dramatic scenery. As we approached Kamloops, a historic trading town on the Thompson River, views were slightly marred by the smoke from record wildfires to the north of us. Arriving at our hotel early evening, we had just time to find somewhere for dinner, then a brief walk downtown. After a good night's sleep, back on the train after breakfast to enjoy another fine day as we travelled to our destination, Vancouver. Following the mighty Fraser River, at 854 miles, it's described as the most savage river of the continent. So here we are in Vancouver after our luxurious train journey.